Hi students, I want to show you 3 or 4 things that will be new to most of you in this lesson. So I'm going to skip the things that I'm pretty sure you know how to do, but please feel free to email me if there's something I didn't explain or there's something that you have forgotten how to do. Okay, so I want to show you how I imported that data because you'll be doing the same thing. So you're going to click in cell A1 of your Bike Tours blank document. And then once you're in cell A1, click on File, come down to Import, and then we're going to come over here to Uploads. And what it's going to do once we click Select a File from our device, it's going to show us everything saved on our computer, but we want to go to the Downloads folder. And then out of these 2 Bike Tours files that we've got here, pay attention to which one is the text document because that's the one we need right now. So we can just double click that. And then it's going to bring us to this little window. We want to import the text. The place we want to import it is right here in this sheet. So we're going to say replace spreadsheet, replace what's in here, which is no data yet. Okay, and then just leave these how they are and then click import data. All right, there we go. And like I said, I'm going to skip all the little details and go to the things that I think that you need some instruction on. But first, I do want to put an empty row right here so I'm just right-clicking, going to insert row. The reason I wanted to do that is so when I'm reading the instructions right now and it's telling me to click on a certain cell, that I'm on the right one. Okay, if I hadn't put in the empty row, then everything I do will be off by 1 cell. Okay, so I'm skipping down to, let's see, step 9 in Canvas for today. And step 9 wants us to name a group of cells or name a range. So it wants us to select C10 through C15 and then to give this group of cells, this range of cells, a name. So then we're just going to click up here on data and go down to named ranges. And it wants us to name it monthly expenses, monthly_expenses. Okay, and then we'll just click done. And now these are named. So then when we use formulas that need these numbers in them, we can just come over here and click on this instead of selecting the cells. All right, so that's how you do that one. And then I better show you on step 10 how to do a formula using this range we've just named. So on step 10, it says go to cell C18. So there's C18. And to do a formula or function that would tell us the highest expense of the month. Okay, so we're going to do equals, and then we're going to type max to find the maximum, the highest one. Then we do a left parenthesis, and then we come and click on monthly expenses. And then end it with a right parenthesis, and then enter. Okay, so that's how you do step 10. Now in step 11, it says to go to cell C19. Okay, that's right where we were. Go to cell C19 and find how many empty or blank cells are in the range C4 through C17. Okay, so what we want to do is find out from this cell all the way down to this cell, we want it to count how many are empty, how many are blank. All right, so click there, that's where we want the answer to be. And then we're going to go up here to the Insert tab and down to Function. Okay, now there's a whole lot of functions in here. They are categorized into what types of functions they are. But if you don't know whether it's a text function or whether it's a financial function, I just like to go to all for most things I do, just so I can see the whole entire list. Okay, so go to all and find count blank. And then it's got everything ready for us, but it's waiting for us to select which cells we want it to find how many blank ones there are. So it says in our instructions C4 through C17. So we'll come down that far and then we'll hit enter. And now it tells us we have 6 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are empty. Okay, and remember when you click on the cell where you put the formula is up here. It replaces the formula you typed in with the answer to the formula, but always refer up here to the formula bar to see what the formula is. Okay, great. I think there might just be one more thing to show you. Let's see, we named a range of cells, we used the count blank function, and we imported a text file. All right, actually, I believe that is it for today. So again, please email me if you have instruction or if you have questions on any of the instructions that I didn't show you how to do, and I'll be happy to get back to you on email to explain that to you. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. Take care.